Okay guys, so working on the 2010 Maxima, changing the motor mount. It's as simple as that. Stay tuned for the tips. Alright, elevate the car. I'm changing 2010 Nissan Maxima motor mount. Alright, and obviously, what is this, 18 millimeter bolt, but and you have two 13 millimeter bolts right here. The issue is that the bolt gets kind of stuck, it's kind of long, so it doesn't reach out, it doesn't come out all the way. So you have to pry it open and then pop it out. Easily removable. Alright, and this is a damaged one, and you see the cracks around the main circle and on top. Alright, it's a bad motor mount. Not crazy bad, but needs replacing. And a simple swap. I might have to elevate the engine a little bit just to make sure it lines up properly. And we're gonna slide the new one right here. All right, like I said, street mechanic, man. Cardboard underneath just to make sure. I gotta check under the car, but here's the new part. You know, obviously you see the difference. It's the ridges, no ridges. All right, so this is a torque sensor, torque mount. So it's gonna give you the power when you press the gas and keep it stable. All right, so a quick motor mount change on a 2010 Maxima. I mean, I actually got my mechanic's jacket on, East Manhattan. You know, it's working outside. Winter weather, real fast. This is a quick motor mount change, you know, something quick just to put up, just so you guys understand how it actually works. If you have an issue with Maxima or you got to change it, and you already know, what to do ahead of time. But stick around.